Hi everyone, good morning. Now the time is today is 25th of July and now the time is 9:58. I have taken one trade in the Nifty. Today is also Nifty expiry. What exactly I have did is yet like 24,000. Actually that time market was around, let me open this chart. Right. This is where I took the trade around in this particular candle in the 15 minutes candle itself. I sold 24,450 call and 24,050 put. 24,450 call and 24,050 call and one sort of like 24,000 I bought a put option for the next 2 week after no next 2 weeks. It's suppose like next week is like we were having the next expiry is on like 31st or like the next expiry I believe 31st or let me check it in this particular expiry if I can see the August 1st, August 8th is my expiry day and I have taken this particular buy positions. Why basic what will happen if I'm buying the like next week expiry only? It was giving my some negative impact from last 2 days. I've observed that one side it has giving me the high huge loss and other side it is not at all moving. So that's why I moved one away from like because in the Nifty we'll be having anyway very good liquidity, but wherein other indexes we will be having less liquidity compared like Sensex and all. I can able to trade in only the next expiry. So if I go to the another expiry means next to next expiry, but there will be some liquidity issue on the other like in the Fin Nifty as well as in Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty will be having liquidity. So in Nifty, what I did, I took an advantage there and I have taken the next to next week expiry. And what exactly my plan is today for the today is now if I see the open interest, like I'll open the complete open interest, like let me open it. If you can see, we were having highest call option is and 24,300 is around 1.4 crores. On the put side, we are having 24,200. My break even on the put side is 24,000. Let's consider 24,000. Let us we have a like break even of 24,000. 490 is a break even on upper side. 23,987 is the lower side break even. I'm having almost 1% on each side from the both side. The break even I am having a buffer of. That is the advantage. If the market is closed my break even side, suppose if my if I show the pay up crop, let me open the positions. If you can see the my pay up crop here, let me open it. If market is closed nearby my pay up crop, like suppose like 40 50 points of 50 points away from my pay up crop, I'll get a maximum profit on both the sides. Suppose this is how this chart looks like. If the market is closed anywhere in this between range, I'll make some enough money, like I would say minimum 15,000. But my plan is I need to hold it like if it is closing 440 420 or 440, I'll make some good amount like 380 and 3 like whatever the current market price is around 24,000 280. If it is closed around 250 like say 350 or 320, I'll make some very good amount decent amount of money. As of now it is going well. If anything like in case like as I observing here the IV also spiking, it is almost 5.5% up now. My plan is simple, like if once I reach this 20,000 profit, then I'm going to exit it. Since the IV is spiking, this call values are giving me the positive things. But if the IV is also keep on crashing, it may impact my call value. So whatever I bought, that may impact for that particular positions. So if morning was like around, it was up by 1%, the IV. Now currently after taking that one, it's almost up by 5 percentage, again 5 percentage. That is the advantage here I'm having, like 10,000 only because of that, this trade, like this one, because this is not at all moving, but this is moving because we are having the delta is more than this one. If I can go to the option chain, the option chain is mismatched now. If the market is coming down, I have a more chances of my M2M loss getting down. Let's go to Grix. If you can see this one, the buy value, August 8th. Yep. The delta value was like 0.39, but wherein year delta is 0.28. It is almost zero point 0.1, like 0.10 is the difference. If market is moving significantly on downside, this will loss will getting the user this loss, like because we are having the delta is 10%, like 0.10 is higher than the put side. So here we will be having lesser profit. So once it is moved on another this side, and if this is not matching, then we will get but anyhow the today's plan is simple. I'm not selling, I'm not doing any kind of adjustments here until this breaks. I don't think this will breaks. I will make some money today, like at least like 15,000. In one worst case, if Nifty closes like 24,000 below, then I'm going to lose the money. Other part is, if this is the other way, if the market is closed in between this range only, if I'm making some 15 to 20,000 in that particular range. Hi everyone. Now the time is 1:30, and currently my positions are running around like 15,000 profit, 15,200. Actually, I'll explain what happened with the market. If you can see this particular range, the market is each and every candle is going up, and one candle will come down, and the next candle will be breaking up, and it is going upside. And my break even is like, it is actually, if the market is closed in this particular range, I'll get some maximum amount of profit, like around 26,000. But the problem is, it should not close above this, like 50, like 24,400 and 24,000, 24,440 or 450. If it is closed in that particular range, I'll be in profit of around 15,000. But if it is closed in 24,400, I'll make around 26,000 profit. And my, as per my, like if I go to the IV, like open interest, yep. If you can see, the 24,400 is the highest open interest is there, 2.1 crore. And also put is also 1.13, like it is, but the put side is more, like overall the put side is more. Now currently the market, what I'm thinking is, it may close it between 24,300 and 24,400. If in case any candle significantly closed above, like how this candle went, if it is closed above 24,400, there are chances this people may exit in the panic. Even I have the same position, 24,400 call option is there. But there is only one thing, if the market should not close the significantly higher on this, like how this candle closed in the 15 minutes, like at 12:45, like this candle is too danger for in currently for 24,400 call writers. And coming to on the downside, I don't think, like if until this level crosses, if this level crosses on the significantly on lower side, it may come till 300, and it may close between above 300 and between the 350 level. Now as of now, these two are the very good support and resistance for me. Like until I'm not going to do any kind of adjustments in this particular trade now currently, if I consider this one. And also coming to my profit, like if I'm go to year analyze, currently 16,100 profit is there. If you consider this one, yeah, this was the point where I can get the maximum profit. Means the maximum profit is like 27,240 if it is closed in this particular range. But I don't think it will close this particular range based on this candle rejection here and also the upward move. If you can see, there are the significant like sellers are like buyers are keep on activating here, but the sellers are not leaving buyer to go up the market. They are in this particular two candles is having highest sell orders, like they are selling, keep on selling, and also they are not allowing to go up the market. If you can see, this is actually here creating a wick. Actually these four candle, if you can see, always like if market went high and consolidating, if it is consolidate and breaks, that again the it will impact to 24,400 call raters. I don't think that is going to happen, because in this particular range, if you can see by this seeing these candles only, we can able to say it is very less probability. I would not say it will not go. Very less probability it will go going in the upper direction, because the five candles it is creating wick and it is closing in the lower side only. It is creating like bearish hammer. The candles are bearish kind of hammer, these two candles, and also it broke in the third candle. Now the next candle is coming down. It is in 10 minutes candle. If I consider 10 minutes, let's go to 5 minutes candle, and also this one until this, like these are all here also, if you can see this one. But if it is goes upside, it will be very high and fast move will be there. So the market is moving steadily from the morning, and there is no huge movements or a spike in the IV or a spike in the option prices. Now currently I am sitting with a profit of around, let me go to positions, sitting with a profit of like, sorry, yep, now currently 16,300 is profit is there. I'm going to hold this trade, like irrespective of, even if market is coming down significantly, and if it closes in middle of 300, above 300 and 350, even I'll make some 18,000 profit. If it is closed, like I'm lucky enough to get some about 25,000 profit. Yep, that was the plan, and I will update in the final update around 3:30. Hi everyone, now the time is 3:30 and I closed my day, and I was having the overall profit of 18,300. If you can consider this one, I'll go to here. I think, yep, this is where my profit is. Let's do one select a Sensex. 18,331 was my profit. And also in Nifty, what exactly which I have done is today, like I hope you what I've explained, like if you can see this one, like Nifty, it was closed in 24,406. My morning when I've traded this particular trade, I sold these two particular levels, like around 24,000, like 24,400 and 24,050. These two positions, but this positions is got zero, and also there is a buy value which is also given the very good profit, and also it is almost 23,000. This has given 19,000 as a loss, but the year I got some additional 4,000, and also the overall profit in the Nifty is uh, 18,300 something. And coming to the Sensex tomorrow, on what basis I took this plan means, basically what happened in the open interest means it has spiked up till 12 percentage today. If you can see this one till 13 it went and it came back. And my plan is like, and also the IV has been crashed like almost the 5 percentage. And I bought the calendar spread and weekly calendar spread, like tomorrow is an expiry. I sold 100 quantities on that the money, and also I bought the 100 quantities on the next week expiry. What exactly is like there is a one problem here. We are having some liquidity issue in these two positions. That is may cost some slippage, but I'm not sure like how I can able to handle these particular positions. But I didn't by mistakenly I placed this order with this buy positions. I would have placed 80,500 and 79,500. There we have some liquidity, but this one have some less liquidity. Liquidity is there. Problem is bid price and ask price was too huge. If you can see this one, the ask and bid price was almost like 10 rupees difference. Then it is very like it is almost 1,000 rupees difference in a slippage. It is very like depends on tomorrow market how it opens and this one. But my overall break even point will be the zero point 0.7 percentage of the Sensex. Like if I have upper side is zero point 0.7 and lower side is a zero point 0.7, that was the plan. And let me show you the pay up chart. And this is the pay up chart. Like if you can see here, yep, Nifty. This is the Sensex which I took. Yep, this was the pay up chart. We are having the 79,635 is the lower side break even and 80,400 is the upper side break even. And like the both side is a 4 point like around zero point 0.6 and zero point 0.7 percentage difference. But what I'm thinking is the market tomorrow may open in the gap down or else neutral as per the global cues. If I consider the global news like global market, European market is already is at lower side and it is about to, I think it is opened at one, like it is already in 0.811 percentage each down. But one thing is all the Asian markets are down, but the Indian market is recovered and it closed in positive sign only. But currently what I'm thinking is tomorrow if the Dow Jones is a positive, if the US market is positive, the Nifty may slightly open gap up or a gap down. I don't think it will not going to open the gap up because the European market is down and based on the US market and this will close. Based on that our market may open. But what I'm thinking is it will close it may open the positive, like it may open the flat or it may open the gap down. That is a point. And even if we have, because it is already fell like one percentage each in the European market, I don't think it may fall another 1 percentage, because in this condition only the Nifty is in the positive side. If European market is opens a closed in one percentage, it may open like 50 percentage upper side, or even if it may open in the flat if there is no significant news. This is all about today, and today I'm closing for the day with 18,300 profit. And thank you so much for watching this video. And if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you all.